college does not mean you're going to sit there and call the wedding off. It was in college. Right now, no. Right now, college. It was in college. Oh, for the love of God. It was in college. It was in college. You act like you were never curious before. You never messed around with. I'm a good man. Any woman will want a man like me. Any woman will want a man like me. Like me. So you go ahead and try to throw it away. You go ahead and try. You go ahead and try. Like I said, let me tell you something. You will never find another man like me. You will never find another man like me. You're judging me. And that's all right. That's all right. That's all right. For what? For what? College. I'm a different man now. Serious. You're not serious. It's not finished. It's not finished. It's not finished. It's not finished. It's because I can be. Because you're judging me. Because I slept with a few guys in my past in college.
Y'all, is she wrong? Is this woman wrong for calling off her wedding after she found out her husband to be was curious in college and slept with a few guys? And this is just part one. We haven't even seen part two. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Short clip. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments.